Hi, welcome to NEX-Forms 6. This is a tutorial on how to set up a form to go to PayPal and how to do your PayPal item field mapping. We have a form ready here. If you're not familiar with building forms, please check out the tutorial video on how to do so. We've got a few products here. We've used radio buttons and checkboxes to add these. We've added quantities that will be sent to PayPal by simply adding single line text fields. If you edit a product, you will see that we use numerical values for each option. This is done by simply adding a double equal, so the value would be in front of the double equal and the label would be displayed afterwards. We've done the same for product B and product C as well. So once you've got these ready, you can go to your PayPal item field mapping. You simply go to that, you click on form and choose map items. We've got items here set up already, but we're going to start over. So you add an item by clicking this button. For this example, we're going to use the same names. We're not going to be creative or anything. These names I will explain now is used in your PayPal checkout page. So let's say this is product A. So product A, the name you display here would be the name on this page. It's product A. So this can be anything. We're going to map a field, so let's select product A from our list of buttons here. So that's product A, and we're going to use the quantity. You can check the field name by clicking on the quantity field, and you can see we call this quantity A. The input name can always be different. It needs to be unique and can always be different right across the forms. And the label can actually be the same. As you can see, we've got quantity B here, and we've got quantity A here, but they both have the same label. Okay, let's go back to item setup. Okay, so we've chosen product A, and to map that field, we're going to choose quantity A. So this simply means that when the user selects the quantity here, like 10 or something, and they choose A, that will be $100 if you choose the dollar currency. Let's add product B. So this product B, going to map product B, and for the quantity we're going to map quantity B for that field. And then lastly, let's do delivery. Sorry, that should be delivery. We're going to use a static value for quantity because we're only going to have one delivery, and we're going to map the delivery field for the value that's going to be sent to PayPal. So once that's set up, you can go to your PayPal setup, you enter your business account that's either your merchant ID or your PayPal email address, which is the email address you registered at PayPal with. This specifies the URL that will be used when the payment the transaction has finished. The cancel URL will be used to go to a page that if the user cancels the transaction before they completed it, they will go to that page. So that's for the cancel URL. The currency, you can choose your currency here. We use US dollar, and the language you can also select this. This language is only displayed on the PayPal checkout page. It's got nothing to do with the language of the forms. Okay, so once you've done all this, please remember if you're going to go to PayPal, always choose yes here, and you can choose your environment, sandbox or live on top here. So you can do your testing in sandbox, and when you're ready with your forms and so on, you can just go here and change it to live. Okay, so you can save the form, and if you look at the form then on your front end, you can see we've got our products here and our quantity fields and delivery. So if I choose $10 here and quantity 2, then the item would be displayed as $20 for product A, as I named it in the item mapping. So let's make that 150 and 3, let's do 350. We say yes to delivery, and let's just do test.com and test. And then we can submit our form, and it will be redirected automatically to PayPal. As you said, it should go to PayPal on this section here. So there you go. You've got product A, it's $20. It was quantity 2, $10, 350, quantity 3. So that's a total, and delivery was 15, and the quantity was 1. So that's the total in all. And that's how you do a PayPal form submission. If you've got any questions, please go to http double.point/basics.tixie.com for any support or queries. Thanks for watching and happy building.